2 cups chopped baby carrots. 1 large onion, chopped. 4 stalks celery, chopped. 2 tablespoons dried thyme. 1 tablespoon dried rosemary. 2 teaspoons salt. 1 teaspoon ground black pepper. 4 skinless, boneless chicken breast halves, chopped. 1 10-ounce can refrigerated biscuit dough, separated and chopped. 1 combine water, carrots, onion, celery, thyme, rosemary, salt, and black pepper in a large pot, bring to a boil. Reduce. Heat and simmer until vegetables are tender, about 15 minutes. Add chicken to soup and cook until no longer pink. In the center, about 10 minutes. 2 drop biscuit pieces into soup and cook until dumplings are cooked through, 10 to 20 minutes.